Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring network and account essentials are correct. This stops wasted troubleshooting. First, check Wi-Fi or cellular, then briefly toggle airplane mode. This resets radio stacks. Once connected, open settings and confirm your Apple ID is signed into the App Store. An unsigned account prevents downloads. Make sure to restart the iPad. Hold the power and volume buttons until the slider appears, then slide and reboot. These first steps clear cached network and auth issues so you can progress. Next, perform targeted fixes that resolve deeper glitches. Force close the App Store app to clear a hung process. This often restores normal behavior. Then check for an iPad OS update. Apple pushes fixes for App Store bugs, so install any available update. If problems persist, reset network settings to rebuild DNS and Wi-Fi configurations, but remember this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Once done, sign back into Wi-Fi and the App Store. These middle steps address software and network conflicts causing the problem. To finish, clear the App Store cache by tapping any tab icon 10 times quickly. This forces a fresh reload. If that fails, sign out of your Apple ID in settings and sign back in to revalidate purchases and subscriptions. As a last resort, back up and restore the iPad via Finder or iCloud. Restoring resolves persistent software corruption. If problems continue after a restore, contact Apple support for account or device diagnostics. They can check server-side issues or hardware faults you cannot fix yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.